Welcome back. Well, a break now from election results. The 6 people suspected of murdering whistleblower Babita Deokaran are back in court today. There's still been no decision on bail, despite most of them having been arrested in late August. Well, delays have been due to the Justice Department hack and lawyers having too little time with their clients. Barry Bateman is at the Johannesburg Magistrates Court this morning, and he can fill us in on what's going on. Barry, why no decision on bail apart from the hack at the Justice Department? It seems a long time for people to be behind bars, in custody, awaiting a bail decision.
Yeah, you're quite right, Annika. It has been a long time. You just said it, arrested the end of August. The reason for the delay is because of that hack. You touched on it, but it impacted on the ability of the court to record proceedings. There was a suggestion at the last appearance that they proceed taking hand notes, but this was rejected as concerns around accuracy and so on of the record. And it was asked that the matter be postponed to allow that this whole process be fixed and that we can continue. But we do understand that the bail application will proceed today when proceedings get underway shortly.
Barry, there was a lot of outcry when Ms. Deokaran was murdered, the hit. There was all this talk about protection for whistleblowers. Has any of that, or any of those promises materialized?
Well, no, not as I understand. I mean, you're quite right. I mean, it did raise that issue. It was a national talking point. South Africa is where it is today. You look at the State Capture Commission of Inquiry, for example, as a result of whistleblowers, people coming out and speaking out against the corruption that they have witnessed. In a case that we're dealing with here, Babita Deokaran, being key in several investigations related to the Gauteng Health Department, and that might have even extended further. Speaking out and, being a witness in Special Investigating Unit matters and being gunned down. So a very serious matter. But I think where the changes are supposed to be coming in is perhaps legislative changes in the protocols for ensuring that witnesses in matters like this, in high-profile corruption cases, are protected, and we haven't seen it just yet.
Barry, what are you expecting will happen today, and any talk of possible witnesses or possible suspects turning state witness?
Yeah. Annika, I understand today is going to be significant. You'll take you back to when this murder first took place, those early few weeks. We had heard then already that a senior ANC government politician had been implicated by the accused in this particular matter. Well, they're applying for bail today. We do understand we are going to get that name on the record. Then we will, we get to grips on how this conspiracy to commit murder was put together, at least on the version of the accused. So if the bail application goes ahead and everything's fine in the court, we do anticipate it to be a very big day.
All right, Barry Bateman, I'm looking forward to seeing what happens there. This case seems to have really been dragging on in terms of the bail application. Barry Bateman there, our reporter, who'll bring us more on the Deokaran case throughout the day.